Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw STU from Brawl Stars. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna start with drawing the top of his helmet with a semi-circle shape, and I'm gonna leave a gap at the lower point of that semicircle. From the ending point on the left corner, curve line upwards, semicircle turn to the right, across to the right, semicircle turn back downwards on the right side of his head right there. Curve line across to the left, semicircle turn upwards, and I'm gonna trace the same outline along the edge of the inner corner of his helmet right there. At the ending point on the left, semicircle turn to the left, turn it upwards. Above that whole thing on the left, I'm going to draw a line upwards and another similar line on the right side of that. Mirror that same set of line on the right side of the head, and in the middle of the two set of line, I'm going to draw at this lower point a V shape right there. Turn it upwards on both ending points. A V shape across from the left, similar to the first V shape. Repeat that same set of line again at this upper point. And for his eye below the helmet, on the left corner, I'm going to draw a half circle and another half circle inside of that. Inside of that, I'm going to draw a line downwards off center to the left, sideways to the right, a line upwards on the right corner. Below his helmet on the left corner, I'm going to draw the color of his outfit with a diagonal line to the middle point and downwards. Mirror that same diagonal line again from the right corner. And at the inner corner of the color, below the eye from the left corner, I'm going to draw a line across to the right. And below that, another line. And slightly below that, another similar line across. At the side of his helmet, I'm going to draw the side of his collar with curve line downwards. Turn it slightly inwards to the right. Sharp turn upwards on the right corner, diagonally to the right. Diagonal curve line to the middle point and slightly downwards. Below that curve line on the left corner, I'm going to draw a similar curve line diagonally down at that point, sideways to the left. Inside of the collar, I'm going to draw a star shape at that point. And I'm going to mirror the whole thing on the right side of his outfit. Below his collar, off center to the left, I'm going to draw a short line downwards, and I'm going to do the same thing on the right side. At the ending point below, a line across right there, semicircle turn downwards, a line downwards, semicircle turn to the left. In the middle point of that shape, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape at that corner. And I'm gonna mirror the same shape on the left side right here. Below, I'm gonna draw a line out from the side of that rectangular shape. Semicircle turn downwards and flare it out semicircle turn across to the right, and I'm gonna mirror the same shape on the right side right here. Inside of that, I'm gonna draw a V shape at this upper corner, another V shape below that. At the ending point at the side, a line downwards from the upper point on both the left and right. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw a line downwards off center to the left and another one off center to the right. At the side of that whole thing, I'm going to draw below the collar a line downwards all the way to the lower point of his jacket, turn it sideways to the left, turn it upwards, and at that ending point, I'm going to draw a line across, a half circle line upwards and turn it back to the left, across to the left, and turn it downwards. Inside of that shape, on the right corner, I'm gonna trace the same semicircle line at the edge right here, and on the left side of that, a circular shape at that corner. Above that, I'm going to draw a line upwards in the middle point, turn it diagonally up and out to the left, across to the right, and at that ending point, I'm going to draw a curved line across to his collar. At the ending point on the left, turn it upwards, sideways to the right, and at that point, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape across diagonally to the right there. Inside of the jacket, in the middle point below his collar, I'm going to draw a line downwards right there. Now from the outer corner of his shoulder, I'm going to draw a line downwards right there. Turn it diagonally down to the left. For the inner line of that arm, I'm going to draw a similar diagonal line on the right corner right here. And at the ending point below, from the outer corner, I'm going to draw a diagonal line across to the right and slightly downwards. Another similar diagonal line below that at that corner. And from the ending point above, a line diagonally down to the left at this outer corner. And I'm going to do the same thing at the inner corner of the sleeve. At the outer corner of the sleeve, I'm going to draw a short line upwards from the left side right here, arch curve line across to the right, turn it back downwards on the right corner. Now below the sleeve, I'm going to draw his hand with curve line downwards from the outer corner on the left, semicircle turn to the right and semicircle turn upwards. Above that ending point, slightly to the left, I'm going to draw his thumb with curve line across to the right, semicircle turn back upwards on the right corner, semicircle turn diagonally to the left. Above that shape, I'm going to draw a line upwards at that corner. Below the thumb, in the middle point, a line across to the left, turn it downwards at that corner. Below that finger, I'm going to trace the same outline along the edge at that corner, and I'm going to mirror the whole thing on the right side. Below his jacket at the side, I'm going to draw a short line downwards on the left corner and on the right side. Below that ending point, I'm going to draw a long rectangular shape across for his belt. Right there. And at the side of the belt, I'm going to draw a semi-circle shape like that and copy that on the right side. Inside of the belt, I'm going to draw in the middle point a star shape like that. And on the left side of that, I'm going to draw a circular shape at that corner and another similar circular shape on the right corner right here. Below the belt, off center to the left, I'm going to draw the tire with a line downwards, a U curve line to the right, and a line upwards on the right side. Inside of that, below the belt in the middle point, I'm going to draw a V shape, and below that, I'm going to draw another similar V shape, and another V shape below that. Turn it upwards on both ending points on the left and right, and I'm going to repeat that same set of shape at this lower point. At the side of the tire, I'm going to draw a line downwards at that corner, turn it diagonally to the right, and from that same point, curve line diagonally up to the outer corner, a line upwards. At the outer corner of that, I'm going to draw a semi-circle shape right there. Mirror that whole thing on the right side of the tire. In the middle of his jacket, above the belt, I'm going to draw a curved line across at that corner. And above that, off center to the left, a short line upwards, and another one on the right side. And finally, I'm gonna draw a thick line along the outer edges. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!